Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something that I've been waiting to video for like months now. It has came in handy for me, and I hope this can come in handy for some moms that may be living in New York and know that that bus struggle is real. This is gonna speed up a lot of the traveling that you're gonna have to do in New York, and I'm excited to share this with you guys. So here we go. The tools you're gonna need is 2 bungee cords. I have 2 ankle weights here, this premium car seat, and just a regular shopping cart that you typically just roll, take it around New York. So this is, weathered. So you just take off that part. It's super easy. And then this is something that I found out after using the cart first couple times. The baby is heavy, so when the car seat sits, the platform is gonna sit just like this. So when the baby is here, the bulk of the weight, I'm not sure if you guys can see, the bulk of the weight is on this side of the wheels. If you can see it, I'll kind of lift that up. It's on the opposite side of the wheels. So when you let him go, just sitting in the car seat, it tends to, if he moves or jerks, it'll fall. So to counter that, I had ankle weights. So just some regular ankle weights I had sitting around. It may be something different for you. So what I just did is loop this sucker around here. All right, now the camera's not focusing. But hey, so I'm just looping this around here, which gives me a super hard time at first. But just think of when you get on that bus, nobody's gonna have anything to say because they're gonna be like, fold up your, oh, nothing to fold up. And you're just gonna be happy because you're just gonna get on the bus like everybody else with their gigantic carts. So, the first one's on. You can see, 20 pounds. It's 22 pounds or something like that. So now I just put on this one, like, so as you can see, these weights are pretty old. I've had it for a while. So now you have on the 2 weights, and this is how it goes, right? Now you are going to secure put this on here. So this is just like an anchor. I'm just gonna pull this little loop and adjust it. See where it goes. It clicks through this little thing. Bungee cord, and this goes through these little side holes. Like you can, this is to be like in the car. And I'm just looping it around this. And then I'm gonna just pull so it doesn't come undone. Oh, there we go. So now this is pretty stable. This is on here. But for the sake of securing, I take this last bungee cord. Is that weight on the floor? And I just come Loop this around. So the bungee cords don't really matter. You can just kind of do what you want with those. So now it's pretty good.